Hello guys, welcome to Avinya Solutions. Today our scenario based interview question. So we are now we are going to discuss about the one scenario based interview question and especially on administration. So this is very helpful to the Salesforce developer as well as Salesforce administrators. So the question is on the scenario based question is on dynamic forms. So it is so before going to do that scenario based question in practical way, I have to show the what is the scenario, and after that I have to explain that what is the answer for that scenario, and after that we have to go to the Salesforce org and we do that the how to achieve that scenario. So let me open my scenario. So for that, just wait. So the scenario is we have a account object. So we have a account object. In that object, we have a two fields. One is rating field and another one is annual revenue field. If the condition is if the annual revenue is greater than $1,000, then rating field will be appeared. So if the for example, if the rating if the annual revenue is entered as a $500, then rating field will be hide or disappear on the page layout or record page. So that is the scenario. So here the so this type of scenarios we can achieve through the dynamic forms. So everyone thought that this type of scenarios we can achieve through the page layouts and some other record types like that controlling field. So no, the answer is dynamic forms. We cannot hide the fields through the page layouts or record types or controlling field, some other fields. We have to only edit the edit the fields through the by using the controlling field. We have a dependent controlling field, so we don't hide the we don't have any chance to hide that fields. For hiding the fields on the record page, we have only one process is there, that is dynamic forms. Now I'm going to open my Salesforce org and I'm going to explain that dynamic forms in practical way. So especially before going to explain the that dynamic forms, so note that so dynamic forms is suitable for only specific standard objects only. I mean, it only supported the some uh, standard objects only, but dynamic form supports all the custom objects. So note this point. So let me open my Salesforce org. So 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 this is the this is the Salesforce org, and after entering to the Salesforce org, you just open the Sales Cloud on the app launcher. In the Sales Cloud, we have a different types of objects, opportunity leads, cases, and accounts and contacts, tasks, and these type of objects is there. So our scenario is we have a account object, and we have in the account object there are a number of fields are there. There are account name and parent account and rating field, uh, annual revenue. Where is the annual revenue? Here is the annual revenue. So annual revenue. So if the scenario is if the annual revenue is entered as $500, then rating field is not appeared, so it will be hide. If the when only when we entered the annual revenue as $1,000, then only this field will be appeared on this page. So this type of scenarios we can achieve through the dynamic forms. How can we do that? So without any delay, let's open click on the gear icon and then open the no, first go to any record on the account object. So any record on the account page, and then click on the gear icon and then open the edit page. We have a edit object and edit page is there. So please click on the edit page button. So it so after clicking on the edit page, it opens the Lightning app builder. So this is a Lightning app builder. So in this Lightning app builder, we have seen different types of tabs over there over this page. So this type of desktop, shrink, view, analyze, and activation save. So you clearly observe there are account object is there. There are some tabs on this quick actions are there, and then related details and news are there. Tabs are there. So please open the details. So related details and news. Open the details. Click on the details, and then after click on these details, we have seen different types of fields are there over there. So and then so after clicking on this page, after clicking on this record page fields, you will see this type of page. So here you can configure record detail sections and fields right inside the Lightning app builder. So we have to configure the fields which which fields we have to decide by upgrading this type of this page. We have to configure the what fields will be disappear appear on the page, and what fields we have to disappear on this page. This type of scenario, this type of questions we have to design. Like so, click on upgrade now. So and then next, and then migrate fields as right now I have 4 page layouts. This is account sales page layout, and then click on this. So after performing some actions, finally you landing on this page. So in this page we are in the page and accordion. So I don't want this, so I want fields. So in this we have seen different types of pages there. So fields are there. We have seen different types of set component visibility. So set component visibility. So let me open rating field, and this rating field. So now I am opening the rating field. So I can drag this rating field below the annual revenue field. So annual revenue, I can. So I'm opening the annual revenue and then drag this. So now the rating field and annual revenue field are besides there. So now I'm controlling the rating field. So scenario is if the annual revenue is entered as $1,000, above $1,000 or above $1,000, then rating field will be appear. Otherwise, it can be hide. So after clicking on the rating field, so we now we want to control the rating field. That's why we just click on the rating, and then you will see this type of options are there. So the page and rating. So we are in the correct way. So UI behavior, select none. We have a different types of fields is there in this. By upgrading this type of dynamic forms, by upgrading this type of dynamic forms uh, property, we have a chance to made the fields which is required, or read only field, or hide the fields. We have different types of options are there. Among those options, you just select on the none, and then we have to set some filters. Set field visibility. So filters. So filter is account name. If the account to revenue, annual revenue is greater than or equal, greater than or equal. So let me minimize this page. Then greater than or equal $1,000, then only rating field will be appeared on this record page. Otherwise, rating field will be disappear. So hide. So done. Click on save button. now our configuration changes have been saved. Then go back to our sales cloud, especially account object, and then now we want to create one account record, the account object. So right now we have annual revenue, but there is no rating field. So if I entered, just to see, observe, if I enter $5,000, there is no rating field. If I enter $1,000, then only rating field will be appear. So if I reduce $100, then no rating field. If I enter $1,000, then rating field will be appeared. Yeah, in this way we have to control, we have to hide the fields. If we want to hide some fields, or we want to made some configuration, if you want to made some field as a required field, these type of all configuration changes have been done to the dynamic forms. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. If you have any doubts regarding these dynamic forms, please put your comment on the comment section. As soon as possible, I will respond to your comment. So note this point. Dynamic forms supported the few standard objects only, and it supports for the all the custom objects. So thank you. Active account count counters. Serial explanation. Okay. Leave about the errors. It's my Salesforce is going to expire. That's why they showing this type of messages. Thank you for watching this video.